Ja, vi står så på EBC og skal have et interview med The Eagle, stabilisationssystemer til kameraer, eller stabilizers, som man vil sige på engelsk. Og der vil jeg gerne have lov at præsentere vores leverandør fra The Eagle.
You have invented your own steady system.
Or some details, some specific details or idiosyncrasies of our systems. For instance, the suspension of our arms based on latex straps instead of springs. It makes the arm extremely smooth, perfectly silent. You can record the sound without any noise, any metallic noise. It's adjustable for any weight up to their maximum for which they were designed. For this one it's 5 kilos, so you can put a 500 grams up to 5 kilograms device with the same quality of suspension.
And those suspensions, it's a kind of rubber bands, isn't it?
It's actually hyper-elastic latex, specially made for us. The straps are unbreakable. It's a special process in the vulcanization of the latex. And so we guarantee them for 10 years. We are so sure it's going to last, yeah.
And when you change camera, if you use a more heavy camera, what do you have to do to adjust the system?
You just have to add some straps, maybe more than you need, and when you have the camera on you, you feel how it feels, and then you just pull 1 or 2 straps to make the load capacity absolutely perfect. And there is a moment when you make this adjustment where it just feels right. The arm just responds perfectly.
It sounds too easy to be true.
It's actually quite easy, yeah. As you can see here, the straps are just between 2 points, and then you just need to take one, remove it like this, and the arm suddenly changes its response. Now it's getting down with this same load. So I just take it here, I put it back here, I put it back there.
And how did you get that simple idea?
We started with a spring arm like everybody else, and I once received some parts. I wanted to see how it works, so I put a rubber band which was on my desk just to see the parallelogram moving. And I saw something happening when I put these straps, something very, very strange, very smooth, very weightless. So I make quite a lot of research to make this work inside a stabilizer arm, and it does.
And it's an economic solution, I guess?
Sure, it is, really, yeah.
And in this invention, do you use other cheap tricks, so to speak?
Cheap trick, no, but for instance, one of our other main features is to use laser cut aluminium. We take a sheet of aluminium, we cut it with a laser, then bend it, which is a 10 to 20 times cheaper process than taking a block of aluminium and cutting all the aluminium which you don't need. So this process makes beautiful parts, sturdy ones, and 10 times cheaper as mechanic parts.
And for how many years have you worked on this project?
7 years now. Yeah, it's quite a long time now. Yeah, so now we really know how to make a very nice piece of equipment, cost effective and qualitatively just perfect.
And it's made in France?
It's made in France, near Paris.
And sold in?
Worldwide, not yet in the United States. We have no office there, so we are not sold in the United States, but South America, all Europe, Africa. We have an office in Japan, we work in Middle East, a little bit of Russia, and Australia not yet, but we're working on it.